The WFC is set to boost mixed martial arts enthusiasm among Meghalaya's youth with the upcoming second Yolo Carnival on the 15th and 16th of December 2023 and Madan Kurkalang, Bhoi Rymbong. Alongside the competition, the event will feature song and band performances, a bike exhibition and more. Sambor Lyngdoh, speaking to the media on the 5th of December 2023, revealed that local martial artists will challenge national and international MMA practitioners in this year's Yolo Carnival.
Yolo Carnival was sanctioned at the WFC Warriors Fighting Championship. But hari ini pila ansaki bagi sedang ki rock show ki international artist berwan naki cakap apa but kumjuru pinsa yang pusala ansaki yang jingnya perher ada di show ki super bike kita nangway but kumjuru hatta haju kasini ha kasini country tarik khasang ba country tarik jauh berai opera pinsa saki ya kajing pan katar ba mixed martial arts ha ba hadu kumba armor naplik ki khana khasi jeni iban sai iron kemudian pangan shu tanai keteng jeni khana iban sadar tu kasni kentu ya isamla Johnny Nauro iban sai lampat pasha yu wei orang ikura kata isamla dei Farid Khan napo Madhya Pradesh Ibapit Kharsano napo Shillong napo TCA Combat Academy yang saya pun pasha Avinash na Dojang Guwahati Khau Judang entah teater hak takasni hak khasan tarik bah hak kan tarik bangin sa sakhi ba yang gawai ba bentar hak ba pensaki ya kisan bare ni kun pasha yo wei orang yang na Bangladesh kumjuru ya 5 star bare hak ba yang saya pun pasha yo Nazareth boleh cukup former kickboxing world kickboxing upan po Mizoram yang skill sadar kiwi yang isin benda kemudian besar na ground pom nompo Johnny Por pasha yai iwe ki kena ban po hillside MMA kata i depend te berkunjung ke sasaki yaki ya iriu kata juni ibarat kesap kata i thai Jeremy Fakma hagapa insi pun pasha ya iwe okunjungi napo Mizoram.
Participants eagerly anticipate this unique opportunity to compete against rivals from across the country and abroad, expressing their readiness for the upcoming challenges.
Thank you, Sambor. Dan kami akan bahagia dengan jenis fight one upcoming fight ini report di WFC. Tengah lalu stomi kejing training ru datang lekai penanggungan dengan bahaya kejing lekai.
Pila juga sim tata yang kibai competition.
Hai kalau hilang bon sim ga penja competition ki national fight ki MMA mostly.
Ni di fighters ini yo ban sim ta hakum kini kinja carnival ne festival kebalong open air ban kene pheba kene ga event ko mata ba kerman ba anya bun ki ba ki ban saki kene ba kena rupa kena melong ke ba boring kena ke ba itanat hi nomor ba kembali pilap yang ni bun ki yang ya kilamat bat ki bala asim benta bat ki bala job man kapor te borsin judan bakali mah ba lano gini i live ini te kena de kabu ke ba anoi pi ba pilap i live ini om tang po ki social media.
All the fighters have been fighting for a very long time, and yet the exposure had to be seen in the scene. So with the carnival coming in, we have exposure of area of people coming into the sport, and a couple of new people will be introduced newly to the sport. So as we see, like more people coming in, it gives a good advantage and leverage to the sport itself, because these fighters have been getting laurels in other states and international level from a very long time. But this is the time come where they get a proper platform where the exposure is properly done with them.